Yo, what is going on YouTube? This tutorial today is going to be showing you how to get free skin cases in Rivals Roblox. Now this method is super simple because it actually uses a Rivals code that you can redeem in-game, and it is going to credit your account 20 level 3 skin cases. Now before I show you this method, do make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a huge Robux giveaway. I have tons of Robux gift cards that I'm giving away. So make sure you do smash that like button and subscribe. So let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's show you how to get free skin cases in Rivals using a working code. So what you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. Now it doesn't matter where you choose to play Rivals on, just use your mobile to grab your code and then you can redeem it in game. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this, Crash Coupons, and what it's going to do, guys, it's going to bring you to this game code website. Now I've used this website a ton of times. They don't only have Roblox Rivals codes, they have pretty much every game you can imagine, but where it says search here at the top, I recommend just searching for Rivals Roblox, and it's going to bring you to this codes page here. Now there's a bunch of different verified codes, and you can see these have been used hundreds of times today alone. And what you're looking for is this one here, guys: Rivals Roblox 20 times skin case 3. So this is going to give you 20 level 3 skin cases, and it literally takes a few minutes to get your personal code. These are limited one-time use codes, so once this loads up, you're likely gonna see, okay, so this happened to me earlier. Basically, guys, it limits one code per person, so your Rival's skin case code is currently locked and it is blurred. So what you need to do, guys, is unlock your code. So click on this button and it's going to bring you to this page here where it is super simple. It just gives you a set of instructions and tells you what you need to do to get your Rivals code. So it says complete 2 of the free application or survey offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. And then it says follow the instructions below each app. So what that means is, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks on this page. I've only got 2. You may see slightly more, but you only need to select 2 of the tasks, follow the instructions. So basically these are completely free, and there is a set of instructions that tells you how to complete each task. So once you fully complete 2 of them, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your skin case code will be revealed. So once you grab your code from this box, you can redeem it in Rivals, and this one's going to give you 20 level 3 skin cases. So that is it, guys. Super quick and easy. It does take about 5 minutes. Go to Crash Coupons and then just navigate your way to the Rivals Roblox page using that search bar at the top and select the skin case code. So that is going to get you free skin cases. Make sure you like and subscribe for that Robux giveaway, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.